Hello everyone, I am Kanika and you are tuned into the 514th episode of Here and Now podcast. Today we bring you the latest buzz from the insurance industry, so let's dive right in. Let's kick off today's episode with an insightful update from the Times of India. In a major step towards inclusive healthcare, the ESIC hospital in KK Nagar, Chennai, once reserved for organized sector workers, has now opened its doors to all beneficiaries under the Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana or PMJAY. This move, dovetailing Tamil Nadu's Chief Minister Health Insurance Scheme with PMJAY, brings cashless treatment of up to Rs 5 lakh per family within reach for 1.3 lakh more households. It is a shining example of how insurance is not just a policy, it's a promise of dignity, access, and timely care. With 1,000 inpatient beds, over 10,000 daily outpatients, and expanded postgraduate medical seats, this facility is more than a hospital, it is a hub of hope. Insurance here is not just about paperwork, it's about people. It is about ensuring that no one is left behind, whether they are a worker, a retiree, or a citizen in need. This is what empowered healthcare looks like. Up next, we bring you a significant development report by UNI India. In a powerful stride toward inclusive healthcare, Union Minister recently launched a series of public health initiatives at ESIC Medical College in Chennai under the Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. From opening access to quality treatment for all insured to launching the Swasth Bharat Samriddh Bharat Wellness Camp, the event echoed a clear message: healthcare is a right, not a privilege. The minister also distributed assistive devices to differently abled individuals and emphasized the government's commitment to affordable medicine through over 15,000 Jan Aushadhi Kendras. With 20 new ESI medical colleges, expanded postgraduate seats, and Ayushman Bharat's rupees 5 lakh insurance coverage per family, India is building a robust, people first healthcare system. The message was clear: whether it is a wellness checkup or a world record yoga session, every initiative is a step towards a healthier, more empowered India. Our next story, featured in Amar Ujala, highlights that in a bold leap toward climate resilient agriculture, India is introducing its first ever weather derivatives, financial tools that promise timely compensation to farmers without the need for proof of crops loss. But here is the real story. This innovation does not replace insurance, it alleviates it. By integrating IMD's precision weather data with NCDEX market expertise, these derivatives complement traditional crop insurance by offering faster, data-driven payouts based on rainfall, temperature, or drought thresholds. While insurance protects against catastrophic losses, weather derivatives shield farmers' cash flows from recurring climate risks, creating a layered safety net. This means fewer delays, no red tape, and more financial stability for those who feed the nation. It is not just a product, it's a promise that science, finance, and compassion can work together to secure rural livelihoods. With this, insurance in India is not just evolving, it is becoming visionary. Our final story today comes from The Tribune. In a groundbreaking move towards universal healthcare, Punjab is said to become the first state in India to offer a rupees 10 lakh annual health insurance cover to every household. Yes, all 65 lakh families. This initiative ensures cashless, paperless treatment at both government and empaneled private hospitals. Whether you are a farmer in a rural Punjab or a retired employee living out of the state, you are covered. No income bar, no family size limit. Existing beneficiaries under Ayushman Bharat and the Mukh Mantri Sarbat Sehat Bima Yojana will receive a rupees 5 lakh top up, while 20 lakh previously uncovered families will now be fully insured. With over 1,950 procedures included and Sehat cards for easy access, this scheme is more than policy, it's a promise of dignity, equity, and care. And with that, we conclude today's episode. We hope you found these news updates helpful and insightful. As always, our podcast, Here and Now, will continue to bring you more such insurance updates. Until then, take care, goodbye, and have a great week.